let's format the chart area. So what do I mean by the chart area? So the chart area, you'll notice on this scatter plot on the right is this light gray border line around the edges. And you can see in this finished figure here on the left, we do not have a chart area border, and that will just look unattractive. It'll be distracting in a report. So the easiest thing to do is just to get rid of that. So that's what we're going to take care of. So to do so, we can first click on the scatter plot, and you'll notice that the chart area here is highlighted, and we can right click somewhere close to that chart area and go down to Format Chart Area. And that brings up a sidebar, which gives us chart area formatting options. And we've got three kind of sub options. We've got fill and line, effects, and size and properties. And the first one we want to look at is fill and line. Now, since this chart area border is a line, if we simply go down here to where it says border, we can select no line, and that'll take it off. Here, these options have already expanded. On your screen, if you've never used it before, it may look something like this. So you may have to border and kind of click this expansion caret and click no line right there. And if we kind of click off of this figure, you'll notice now the chart area is gone. And it's also useful to keep this properties sidebar open, because as you click on other things in the figure, you'll notice that the options change here on the right. So having access to the details of these options, these properties of these figure components is really useful. Now, the last thing we want to do, since we're looking at chart area, is we want to set the size. So if you click this up, down, left, right icon, this represents the size and the properties. We want to set a height of 4 inches and a width of 6 inches. So by having a graph that is 4 inches by 6 inches, this will be a good size if you wanted to have the graph by itself on a page, or if you needed to maybe put two graphs side by side on a page, everything will be large enough, it'll be legible in your report. So having something that's 4 inches by 6 inches is a good size for a figure. Then lastly, down here, we want to move, but don't size with the cells. So click that property.